There you are, Joseph. Well, long time no see you.
Long time no see.
Okay, welcome in. You remember told you to help me here?
Yeah, you wanted me to help you find the lost recipe, right?
The recipe is kind of special to me though. It's originally from my father, and I remember last time I had it is one of place on one of those drawers, but I had checked them, but it's not there.
Detective Joe is on the case. Let's start looking.
How can I find no there? I gotta find it over here.
Not in here. Not in here. Not in here. Not in here. Not in here. Not in here.
Could be in here somehow, but I normally put my stuff in here so much. Not in here.
Not in here. Not in here.
Where else can we look?
I know. Let's look in the basement.
Not sure it's gonna be down here, but give it a try.
Did you find it yet?
Not yet. You find anything on yours?
Not yet. I found it.
Let's go watch the recipe. You're gonna start it off some pepper, salt, and this is your most important ingredient in this dish. And that how you make this recipe. Seriously, Joe, thank you for helping me find the recipe.
It's fine. It's my job anyway.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.